Hello, dear friends. I hope you will be fit, fine and doing well. Welcome to Medico Science. तो आज हम कवर करने वाले हैं डाओ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ साइंस बीएस नर्सिंग पास्ट पेपर MCQs विद फुल एक्सप्लेनेशन। और ये पार्ट 1 है। हम इंशाल्लाह पार्ट 2 भी अपलोड करेंगे। इस पार्ट 1 में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सिर्फ और सिर्फ बीएस नर्सिंग पास्ट पेपर्स और उसके MCQs। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज एट व्हाट एंगल डज अ प्रोजेक्टाइल अचीव्स इट्स मैक्सिमम रेंज। ऑप्शन इज 30 डिग्री, ऑप्शन बी इज 45 डिग्री, ऑप्शन सी इज 60 डिग्री एंड ऑप्शन डी इज 90 डिग्री। तो जो प्रोजेक्टाइल सबसे मैक्सिमम जो रेंज अचीव करता है वो अचीव करता है 45 के एंगल पर। सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी 45 डिग्रीज। Question number 2 is the process by which haploid daughter cells are formed by the division of diploid cells called. Option A is the mitosis, option B is the meiosis, option C is the binary fission and option D is both A and B. तो इसमें हमें पूछ रहा है कि हेप्लॉइड डॉटर सेल्स बनते हैं बाय द डिवीजन ऑफ डिप्लॉइड सेल्स। तो ये होता है मियोसिस में। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी मियोसिस। मियोसिस तब होता है जब गेमीट्स फॉर्म होते हैं, एग या स्पर्म्स फॉर्म होते हैं फ्रॉम पेरेंट सेल। और इसमें क्या होता है कि एक सेल से कितने सेल बनते हैं? 4 सेल्स। एक सेल में से 4 सेल बनते हैं और वो सेल्स होते हैं हेप्लॉइड। लेकिन जो माइटोसिस का प्रोसेस होता है ये नॉर्मली सेल्स में होता है। जो हमारे सेल्स ग्रोथ वगैरह में यूज़ होते हैं या वेयर एंड टीयर में जो सेल रिप्लेस होते हैं इनमें माइटोसिस यूज़ होता है। नॉर्मल बॉडी सेल्स आर सोमेटिक सेल्स, तो इनमें माइटोसिस का प्रोसेस होता है। और इसमें क्या होता है कि एक सेल में से बनते हैं 2 सेल्स और इन 2 सेल्स में जो नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम होता है वो सेम होता है एज द पेरेंट सेल। So the correct option here will be option B meiosis. In meiosis haploid cells are formed but in mitosis diploid cells are formed. Okay. Question number 2 is which surah was revealed first? Option A is Surah Al-Fatiha, option B is Surah Al-Baqarah, option C is Surah Al-Alaq and option D is Surah Al-Niml. तो सबसे पहले जो सूरह रिवील हुई थी वो हुई थी सूरह अल-अलक। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी। हियर option C is correct option. Question number 4 is how many surah in the Holy Quran start with Bismillah? Option A is 112, option B is 113, option C is 114, option D is 110. So all the 114 surah don't start with Bismillah. Only one surah doesn't start with Bismillah and that is Surah Tawbah. So the correct option will be option B 113. The correct option is option B 113. Because 113 surah has been started in the Holy Quran with Bismillah. Question number 5 is how many years did it take for the complete revelation of the Holy Quran? तो it took about 23 years. The correct option is option B क्योंकि हमारे प्यारे नबी अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पर सबसे पहले जो वही नाजिल हुई थी वो हुई थी 40 years की एज में, 40 years। और हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की जो टोटल एज थी वो थी 63 years। तो 40 years to 63 years कुरान पाक जो है वो रिवील होता रहा। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन बी 23 years. Question number 6 is total number of destinations in the Holy Quran are. Option A is the 7, option B is the 8, option C is the 9 and option D is the 14. तो जो कुरान पाक में कितनी डेस्टिनेशंस होती हैं? टोटल होती हैं 7। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए। Question number 7 is the major crop of Pakistan is. Option A is the wheat, option B is the rice, option C is the cotton and option D is the maize. जो पाकिस्तान का मेजर क्रॉप है वो है कॉटन। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी कॉटन इज द मेजर क्रॉप ऑफ पाकिस्तान एंड आल्सो द एक्सपोर्ट प्रोडक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 इज द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर in Pakistan is. Option A is Chenab, option B is the Jhelum, option C is Indus and option D is the Ravi. So the longest river of Pakistan is Indus, also known as Sindhu. Question number 9 is which of the following countries are adjacent to Pakistan? Option A is Iran, option B is the China, option C is the India and option D is the all. So all of these countries are neighborhood in Pakistan, are neighbor countries of Pakistan and are adjacent to Pakistan. Correct option is option D. Question number 10 is what is the national flower of Pakistan? Option A is the jasmine, option B is the rose, option C is the lily and option D is the daffodil. So the national flower जो है पाकिस्तान का वो है jasmine. The correct option is option A, jasmine. Question number 11 is Siachen Glacier is primarily located in which country? Option A is the Switzerland, option B is the Pakistan, option C is the Argentina and option D is the India. जो सियाचिन ग्लेशियर है वो हिमालय रेंज में है और ये रेंज आती है पाकिस्तान की टेरिटरी में। सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन बी पाकिस्तान। Question number 12 is I am afraid dash dash you. Option A is the of, option B is the for, option C is by, and option D is to. So the correct option here, or the correct preposition will be of. Sorry. So the correct preposition will be of. I am afraid of you. The correct option is option A. But this is a little bit suggestion that don't be afraid of anyone. Question number 13 is Alina except Allah. Question number 13 is Alina made her children dash dash work on Monday. Option A is does work, does some, option B the have some, option C is the were some, and option D is the do some. Here the correct option will be option D, do some. Alina made her children do some work on Monday, because made is a causative verb here. So the correct option will be option D, do some. Question number 14 is number of amino acids found in human body are. Option A is 30, option B is 44, option C is 22, and option D is 20. Here the correct option will be option D, 20, because our DNA contains the genetic code for 20 amino acids, and these amino acids are also known as the standard amino acids because they are being used in the synthesis of protein. So the correct option will be option D, 20. Question number 15 is the network of capillaries in the nephron is called. Option A is the Bowman's capsule, option C is the glomerulus, option C is the proximal convoluted tubule, and option C is the collecting duct. जो कैपिलरीज का नेटवर्क होता है नेफ्रॉन में जिनसे फिल्टर ब्लड जो है वो फिल्टर होता है, दिस इज नोन एज ग्लोमेरुलस. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी. Question number 16 is aerobic respiration takes place. Option A is nucleus, option B is the Golgi apparatus, option C is the mitochondria, and option D is the ribosome. जो हमारी एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन होती है, एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन क्या होती है? जिसमें ऑक्सीजन यूज़ होता है, और एन एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन वो होती है जिसमें ऑक्सीजन यूज़ नहीं होता. जो एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन है ये होती है सेल के किस ऑर्गेनेल में? ये होती है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन सी, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. एंड दैट्स व्हाई माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज आल्सो नोन एज द पावर हाउस ऑफ सेल. Mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of cell. Keep this in your mind. Question number 17 is typhoid is caused by which type of pathogen? Option A is the bacteria, option B is the virus, option C is the fungi, and option D is the amoeba histolytica. जो टाइफाइड है ये होता है बैक्टीरिया की वजह से. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन ए, बैक्टीरिया, बिकॉज टाइफाइड इज अ बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन and that is caused by Salmonella typhosa bacterium. Question number 18 is the iron rich compound in red blood cells is called. Option A is the myoglobin, option B is the hemoglobin, hemocyanin, option C is the hemoglobin, and option D is the all. जो red blood cell होता है इसमें होता है iron rich compound, and that iron rich compound is known as hemoglobin. Correct option will be option C, hemoglobin is the iron rich compound in red blood cells, and the myoglobin is the iron rich compound in muscles. Keep in mind, myoglobin is present in muscles, whereas the hemoglobin is present in red blood cells. Question number 19 is function of glomerulus is. Option is the filtration of blood and removal of waste products. Option B is the reabsorption of water and nutrients. Option C is the secretion of hormones for blood pressure regulation, and option D is excretion of minerals. जो glomerulus है उसका function होता है filtration of blood and removal of waste products. So the correct option will be option A, filtration of blood for removal of waste products. Question number 20 is the part of brain associated with memory and intelligence is. Option A is cerebrum, option B is the cerebellum, option C is the brainstem, and option D is the medulla oblongata. तो जो हमारा ब्रेन का पार्ट मेमोरी और इंटेलिजेंस से एसोसिएटेड होता है, दिस इज नोन एज सेरिब्रम. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन ए, सेरिब्रम. Question number 21 is in which part of respiratory system gaseous exchange takes place? Option A is the trachea, option B is the bronchi, option C is the bronchioles, and option D is the alveoli. जो प्राइमरी पार्ट होता है रेस्पिरेशन के लिए वो होता है alveoli. The correct option will be option D, alveoli. Question number 22 is fusion of sperm and egg in the formation of zygote, which is implanted in which structure? Option A is the fallopian tube, option B is the ovary, option C is the uterus, and option D is the all. जो एग और स्पर्म जब फ्यूज होते हैं तो जाइगोट बनता है, और वो जो जाइगोट है वो इम्प्लांट होता है, या एम्ब्रियो वो इम्प्लांट होता है यूट्रस में. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन सी, यूट्रस, क्योंकि जो फीटस की डेवलपमेंट होती है वो यूट्रस में ही होती है. Question number 23 is in diabetes mellitus, the body is unable to produce sufficient amount of which hormone? Option A is insulin, option B is a glucagon, option C is the thyroxine and option D is adrenaline. तो डायबिटीज़ मेलाइटस होती है, इसमें कौन सा हार्मोन जो है वो सफिशिएंट अमाउंट में प्रोड्यूस नहीं होता, वो होता है इंसुलिन. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन ए इंसुलिन. इसलिए अगर पर्सनस को डायबिटीज़ मेलाइटस टाइप 1 हो जाए तो फिर वो क्या करते हैं, इंसुलिन इंजेक्ट करते हैं एक्सटर्नली इनटू द बॉडी. Question number 24 is trachea is protected by which shaped cartilaginous rings? Option A is the circular, option B is the C-shaped, option C is the square and option D is semilunar. जो हमारी ट्रेकिया है इसको ओपन रखने के लिए और उसकी प्रोटेक्शन के लिए C-shaped cartilaginous rings होती हैं. So the correct option will be B option, C-shaped cartilaginous rings. Question number 25 is which of the following best describes blood pressure? Option A is the force exerted by blood against the walls of arteries as the heart pumps it through the body. Option B is the amount of blood pumped by heart per minute. Option C is the amount of blood pumped by left ventricle per minute and option D is the amount of red blood cells in the blood. So one of the most important question and the correct option here will be option A. The force exerted by blood against the walls of arteries as the heart pumps it through the body. And आपकी नॉलेज के लिए the amount of blood pumped by left ventricle per minute, this is known as cardiac output. बहुत दफ़ा ये क्वेश्चन आया है. कीप इन माइंड दिस इज द कार्डियक आउटपुट. द अमाउंट ऑफ ब्लड पम्प्ड by left ventricle per minute is known as the cardiac output. Question number 26 is which gas protect us from skin cancer? Option A is oxygen, option B is the nitrogen, option C is the chlorine and option D is the ozone. तो जो हमारे अल्ट्रा वायलेट रेज आते हैं सन से, ये सपोज सन है, इससे जो अल्ट्रा वायलेट रेज आते हैं इनको रोकता है. यहाँ पर एक लेयर होता है, दिस लेयर इज नोन एज ओजोन एंड दैट कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन O3. द फार्मूला ऑफ दैट ओजोन इज O3. So the correct option will be ozone, option D, because ozone protects us from the harmful rays, ultraviolet rays of sun that can cause cancer in the skin. Question number 27 is which organelle is responsible for extracting energy from glucose and forming ATP? Option A is the nucleus, option B is the Golgi apparatus, option C is the mitochondria and option D is the myofibril. सो ग्लूकोज से हमारी जो एटीपी बनती है वो बनती है थ्रू माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. ऑप्शन सी, दैट्स व्हाई माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज नोन एज पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल. करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 इज व्हाट इज अ सेल? ऑप्शन ए इज बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ, ऑप्शन बी इज द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी, ऑप्शन सी इज द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ मैटर एंड ऑप्शन डी इज बेसिक यूनिट फॉर ऑल अबव. सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन, cell is the basic unit of life. Option A is the correct option. Question number 29 is which gland is considered as master gland of human body? Option A is the thyroid, option B is the pituitary, option C is the adrenal and option D is the gonads. So the master gland of human body is the pituitary gland. Option B, pituitary gland is the master gland of the human body, but the super master gland in the human body is hypothalamus. Super master gland is the hypothalamus, keep in mind, but the master gland in the body is pituitary gland. Question number 30 is the collection of cells is called. Option A is system, option B is the organ, option C is the tissue and option D is the organ system. So just keep in mind this hierarchy, that cells combine to form tissues, tissues combine to form organ, organ combine to form organ system and different organ systems work together in coordination and may form organism. So the collection of cells is called, there's the tissue. Collection of cells is called tissue and collection of tissues is known as organ. Collection of organs make the organ system and different organ systems when work in a coordination may form a whole organism. Question number 31 is where are red blood cells formed in human body? Option A is the spleen, option B is the liver, option C is the bone marrow, option D is the lymphatic system. In an adult human body, जो adult human body होती है उसमें जो red blood cells form होते हैं वो होते हैं bone marrow में. So the correct option will be option C, bone marrow. Question number 32 is in which type of bone marrow are red blood cells formed? Option A is the red bone marrow, option B is the yellow bone marrow, option C is the compact bone marrow and option D is the spleen. जो हमारे red blood cells होते हैं वो फॉर्म होते हैं हमारे red bone marrow में. The correct option will be option A. और जो yellow bone marrow होता है उससे हमारे बनते हैं white blood cells. White blood cells are formed from the yellow bone marrow, whereas red bone marrow is involved in the formation of red blood cells. Question number 33 is which layer protects the stomach from the hydrochloric acid? Option A is the submucosa, option B is the muscularis, option C is the adventitia and option D is the mucosa. So our stomach is being protected by a layer and that layer is the mucosa. The correct option will be option D, mucosa, because this is a layer that protects our stomach from the corrosive effect of hydrochloric acid. Question number 34 is fusion of male and female gametes result in option A is the embryo, option B is the zygote, option C is the fetus and option D is the all. जब भी मेल और फीमेल गेमेट्स फ्यूज होते हैं, मेल गेमेट्स commonly known as the sperm in human and female gamete is the egg. When egg and sperm combine together, they both are haploid. This is haploid, this is haploid. When they combine together, they form a cell that is known as zygote. And the interesting thing is that zygote is 2 and are diploid. It consists of 46 chromosomes that are in normal human body. So the correct option will be option B, zygote. Question number 35 is which 6 biomolecules contain 98% of living organisms mass and कौन से होते हैं? वो होते हैं कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस एंड सल्फर. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन ए, कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस एंड सल्फर make up the 98% of living organisms mass. Question number 36 is what is the junction between two neurons called? Option A is the dendrite, option B is the axon, option C is the synapse and option D is the soma. So this is a connection between two neurons. By the way, they communicate with each other through this junction and that junction is known as synapse. The correct option will be option C. That's a potential connection, communicating connection between two neurons, that is the synapse. Correct option will be option C. Question number 37 is enzymes are primarily composed of option A is the lipids, option B is the carbohydrates, option C is the nucleic acid and option D is the protein. जो हमारे enzymes होते हैं they are composed of protein. The correct option will be option D. Correct. So that's why when enzymes are placed in that when they are prone to ultraviolet radiations or other harmful radiations, they may denature, are increasing or decreasing the pH, or increasing or decreasing the concentration of water, may denature these proteins or denature these enzymes because of their protein nature. The correct option is D. Question number 38 is what is the definition of an isotope? Option A is same atomic mass, different atomic number. Option B is same atomic number but different atomic mass. ऑप्शन सी सेम एटॉमिक नंबर इन मास एंड ऑप्शन डी इज डिफरेंट एटॉमिक नंबर इन मास. जो आइसोटोप्स होते हैं वो एक ही एलिमेंट के होते हैं. इनमें क्या होता है कि नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन सेम होता है लेकिन नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स चेंज होता है. मीन्स दे हैव द सेम एटॉमिक नंबर बट डिफरेंट एटॉमिक मास ड्यू टू डिफरेंट नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन बी. Question number 39 is which type of energy does EMF conversion convert into electrical energy? Option A is the kinetic, option B is the chemical, option C is the potential and option D is the thermal. जो हमारी बैटरी होती है, सपोज ये बैटरी है, इसके दो टर्मिनल्स हैं, तो ये जो बैटरी है इसमें एक फोर्स होता है. दिस फोर्स इज नोन एज EMF और इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स. इस इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स के थ्रू क्या होता है कि जो करंट है हमारा वो इन वायर्स में मूव करता है. और ये इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स कैसे पैदा होता है? जब केमिकल एनर्जी जो बैटरी में है, केमिकल और एसिड जो भी बैटरी में है वो कन्वर्ट होती है इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में. So the EMF conversion convert into electrical energy. So there is a chemical energy. Correct option will be option B. Chemical energy is being converted into electrical energy in the battery. और जो EMF है ये बैटरी में ही होता है. और EMF क्या है? ये एक ड्राइविंग फोर्स होती है जो चार्ज को मूव करवाती है या चार्ज को समझो पुश करती है मूव करने के लिए इन द इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स. Question number 40 is who is considered as father of Arab chemistry? Option A is Ibn al-Hisam, option B is al-Kindi, option C is Ibn Sina and option D is the Jabir ibn Hayyan. So the father of Arab chemistry was Jabir ibn Hayyan, one of the most well known and famous chemist of his time, Jabir ibn Hayyan. Question number 41 is process in which a solid directly change into gas is option A is the sublimation, option B is the deposition, option C is the fusion and option D is the melting. So जब जब solid को heat करने पर वो directly convert हो जाए gas में, this process is known as sublimation. Correct option is option A, sublimation. और इसका example है solid ice, sorry dry ice. इसका example है dry ice. ड्राई आइस में क्या होता है, इसमें होता है सॉलिड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. जब आप सॉलिड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को हीट करोगे तो वो डायरेक्टली कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस में. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द वेल नोन एग्जांपल ऑफ सब्लिमेशन व्हेन ऑन हीटिंग सॉलिड इज बीइंग कन्वर्टेड डायरेक्टली इनटू गैस. Question number 42 is what is the atomicity of Al2SO4 3? Option A is 3, option B is 2, option C is 1, option D is 0. So atomicity here means type of atoms or elements. So here there are 3 types of atoms or elements. So the correct option will be option A. Atomicity of Al2SO4 whole 3 is option A, 3. Question number 43 is that technical research conducted by scientists is called. Option A is the experiment, option B is the study, option C is the research and development, and option D is the theory. So here the correct option will be option A, experiment. Question number 44 is in which of the following process oxidation of glucose occur and formation of pyruvate is called. Option A is tricarboxylic acid cycle, option B is the glycolysis, option C is electron transport chain, and option D is the hexose monophosphate shunt. So the conversion of glucose into pyruvate, this process is known as glycolysis. The correct option will be option B. In glycolysis, glucose molecule is being converted into the pyruvate molecule. The correct into 2 pyruvate molecules. One glucose molecule convert into 2 pyruvate molecules. This process is known as glycolysis. Question number 45 is in valence shell of an atom which particle is present? Option A is a proton, option B is a neutron, option C is the electron, and option D is a positron. So all of you know very well that protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus, whereas the electrons just revolve around the nucleus in their shells or energy levels. The correct option will be option C, electrons. Question number 46 is isotopes of an element differ from each other in. Option A is the number of protons, option B is the number of neutrons, option C is the number of electrons, and option D is both number of protons and neutrons. Here the isotopes of an element differ from each other in number of neutrons. Correct option will be option B, number of neutrons. Question number 47 is symbol of sodium is. Option A is the Sd, option B is Na, option C is So, and option D is the N. So the symbol, chemical symbol of sodium is Na. The correct option will be option B, Na. And the name, the symbol Na shows the name natrium, sodium, because that's the Latin name used for the sodium. That's the natrium. The Latin name that is being used for the sodium is natrium, and from here this chemical symbol has been derived, Na. Question number 48 is how many isotopes of oxygen are discovered? Option A is 2, option A is the 1, option B is the 2, option C is the 3, and option D is the 4. So the oxygen's isotopes that are discovered till date are 3. Correct option will be option C, 3 isotopes of oxygen are discovered till date. Question number 49 is atomic mass number is the sum of. Option A is the number of protons, option B is the number of neutrons, option C is the number of electrons and protons, and option D is the number of protons and neutrons. जो atomic mass होता है वो होता है sum of protons and neutrons. The correct option will be option D, protons and neutrons. Question number 50 is which metal exists in a liquid state? Option A is the iron, option B is the mercury, option C is the aluminum, and option D is the cobalt. Just keep in mind that the only metal that exists in a liquid is mercury. One of the most precious metal, or one of the most that strange metal that exists in liquid form, mercury. So the liquid metal is mercury. Option B is the correct option. And I hope that you have understood each and everything. अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है या कोई बात समझ में नहीं आई, let me know in the comment section. And thanks a lot for your time. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो please like it and share it with your friends and colleagues.